let's say that you did like I did and you went for a swim and into the ocean, and you wore your web belt, and in doing so and swimming in the salt water, your brass got tarnished on your web belt. So here's how you polish that up and you make it look better. And just because I can, I'm gonna wear my Wells Lamont gloves. A good easy way to get the flap down from here is take if you have a little give, you have a little bit left on your web belt right there, just pull it. Just pull it and it'll come right out. All right, so there you go. And you don't have to take that off. But what you do want to have is some steel wool. Get you some steel wool. Take your brass buckle. Look at there. It doesn't take much. Doesn't take much at all. I forget where I even got this belt. Can you see that? It's shiny now. The whole thing looked like that. Now it's looking like that. Shiny. Then what I like to do, I used to be a cigarette smoker. I used to carry around a Zippo. And this is what I would use. I actually need. There you go. Look at that. Huh? So a little bit of liner fluid. A little steel wool. So if the steel wool doesn't exactly do it, some lighter fluid and steel wool will. Let's see here. So if there was one and only one benefit from being a cigarette smoker, it would be that I learned a trick on how to polish brass or clean brass. See? That's a little bit better. Where's the sun? There's the sun. Look at there. All right. Rosie is having a blast out here today. Rosie, you having fun? Yeah, it seems to act better too. So steel wool. That'll polish your brass right up. Polish your brass right up. There you go. Then when you snap it back down, you snap it back in there, just pull on it. And the teeth from the buckle will close it right back up. All right, well, hope you enjoyed that. Until we see you next time, y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.